Listen to me carefully. This is what the Spirit of God is telling me. And you have to do it with speed. I don't know how you're going to do it, but do it. Find a seed of 5,000.
Okay.
Find a prophetic seed. You're going to put it on the altar. And you're going to tell the Lord, may this sacrifice speak for me. As I transition, may my transition be built on grace.
Amen.
And supernatural favor.
I will do that.
Amen.
Do it, and it is settled.
Thank you, Doctor.
Amen.
God didn't tell me to pray for you anything, because He just told me for you to do that, and it's
I'll
done.
do it. Thank you.
Good
I want you to sow a family seed of 5,555. There is a grace that is overshadowing your house. Join hands. Father, I release the prophetic impartation over their lives. On up and down in on the great challenge. That one not.